Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting by confirming your phone supports hybrid use. Check settings or the manual for SIM1, SIM2, and micro SD layout. Once done, power off the device to prevent detection errors, then eject the tray carefully with the tool. Make sure the primary SIM sits firmly in SIM1, matching notches and contacts. You want a snug fit, press gently until flush. This prevents misreads and physical bending. Now you're ready to position the second card and memory card together. Now place the second element, either the second SIM or the micro SD, into the hybrid slot, aligning its cutout with the tray's contours. You do this because tray designs vary. One side often accepts a SIM while the other accepts a micro SD. Once aligned, press flat so contacts face down and edges sit flush. Uneven placement causes boot errors. Reinsert the tray slowly and straight and make sure it clicks in fully. If the phone doesn't detect cards, power cycle it after seating the tray correctly. With the tray back in, boot the phone and check settings, network and storage, to confirm both SIM and the micro SD are recognized. If one is missing, power off and reseat the tray. Sometimes swapping which card sits in the hybrid slot resolves detection. Make sure contacts are clean, use a dry cloth to remove dust, and never force the tray. If cards still fail, inspect for bent pins or tray damage. Those physical issues commonly block detection and require repair or replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.